Hi, this is Vizi Pro for your channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable stats bar on Twitch. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. The creator dashboard is the home for streaming on Twitch. You can manage your live stream, organize your content, edit safety preferences, or access resources to help you improve your stream. So, on my previous video, I've shown you how to disable the stats bar on your Twitch. But now, what if you want to enable this feature again? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Twitch. Now you can just tap on the plus icon in here. You can go to the dashboard creator dashboard. Here, tap on creator dashboard. You can manage your stream by tap on stream manager in here. You can go to settings by tap on the upper right corner on the settings icon in here. And you'll find there is an option stats bar. You can enable this feature again by tap on the toggle in here. So now you have enabled the stats bar on your uh, Twitch, so you can view your stream stats gain. So simple, right? So that is how to enable the stats bar on your Twitch. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.